This is lecture video series number 3. In this video, we're going to see about manipulation and control devices. The main key element for interaction to virtual reality is nothing but manipulate. That is, whatever activity done by the user is been replicated in the system. That is the main manipulation and control devices. So one of the key element in interaction virtual reality is nothing but it is said to be as a that is control devices. The control device consists of a mouse, a trackball, or joystick. So some of the main used control devices are manipulation instrumental gloves. So in this gloves you have numerous number of tracking based upon a sensor being present in that gloves. So the activity by the fingers, activity by the fingers and activity by the sensors is being used in the control devices. So this is the manipulation and control devices are there. So conventional control devices consisting of mouse, trackball, and joystick as tools. Okay, in this image, you're going to see about a term called tracking. The head tracking is divided by the head-mounted devices, and the camera tracking is by the camera which is being present above the head, and the voice tracking and audio sensing is by mic and speaker. Okay, next we are going to see about a term called stereo vision. A stereo vision is being used in virtual reality system where you may accumulate two different images in one. That is, you are going to see two different images, but these images you are going to see under only one eye. So for this, what you are going to do is nothing but you are going to have a different polarized filters which is being placed in the front of us. So when this image is shown, that is when two different images are there, you are going to have a polarized image. So when this both images shown, you can experience a term called 3D experience can be that is two images being placed over here to find a term called 3D. That is these two images to be formed similar to the same images to form to form a 3D experience. Okay, this is what that is. You have a concept of specs, an adapter, and then controller. So when this connected, this specs works and looks like a similar HMD. Okay, next you are going to see about term called application of architecture. A first application of VR consisting of architecture, a second comes of medical, second engineering and design, third comes entertainment, fourth of training, and fifth of manufacturing technique. So first we are going to see about a term called architecture. For in previous term, the architecture has been developed in the form of sketches and lines and cones. Whereas in this architecture consists of virtual reality of thing, that is it consisting of the construction of building before and after the process. That is, in case if you have any changes, you can reconstruct a building and you can avoid a amount, that is amount spent in it. Budget can be increased. So this is what we are going to have architecture design. This is what the output of architecture is. You have images. In case if you want to change the color or change the place of the door, you can able to do in starting before starting of development of the rooms. Whereas this previous design cannot be able to have. So this is what the architecture design example is. Next, you are going to see about term of a medical field. In the medical field, there are many ways the doctor can, for example, there's a term called doctor want to operate a special emergency case or a proper emergency case. So in case if a doctor want to operate, he should have a experience. In case if it is in critical stage means if he has experience of doing the operation more than once means he can get experience. In case that can be done using the term called virtual reality in medical field. So this technique combines numerous number of scans, merge into single detail and forms a medical imaging technique. So it enables a doctor to diagnose the problem without performing the surgery. That is the main objective is nothing but you are going to diagnose the problem without performing any surgery. So this is what see here. There's a person, he has a diagnosis of thing. Based on a diagnosis, the report has been identified. So based on without cutting the person, without any doing it of a person, we can able to rectify, or we can able to have this 3D model be created. We are going to do surgery. If the surgery has been failed, also numerous number we can able to repeat the surgery. So based on the repetition, based on a success rate of the virtual reality training, you can able to experience the virtual reality of thing, that is the person can be treated well. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Thank you.